Namaste, welcome to our webinar session. Today we have with us Dr. Gautam Tavri, UK trained specialist shoulder surgeon, practices at Apollo Hospitals, Navi Mumbai. Today we will talk about shoulder problems, treatment and recent advancement. So doctor, my first question is, can you please tell us more about the common problems related to shoulder that you see in your clinic?
So shoulder is a very unique joint, and the common problems that I see in the clinic involves different age groups. So in the young patients, we often see shoulder dislocation and rotator cuff tears. The rotator cuff tears can go into a slightly older age group as well. We often see frozen shoulders, and in the elderly group, we see a lot of shoulder arthritis, either from wear and tear itself or from complex shoulder fractures.
Doctor, what are the common problem patient faces because of these conditions?
So patients present with multiple different issues. One of the most commonest is pain. The pain can be present during the daytime or when doing any activity. They often have pain at night, which is quite disabling. Apart from pain, they would have restricted range of movement and weakness. The weakness can be a problem in a younger age group and the elderly age group, but weakness gradually progresses and becomes much of an issue.
So doctor, what is frozen shoulder exactly?
So a frozen shoulder is a condition whereby the lining of the shoulder joint becomes stiff, as a result of which it goes through phases of pain, where initially the patient is extremely painful or has a lot of pain both during the day and night, which it results into stiffness in the shoulder as the shoulder tends to become pain-free. The reason of stiffness is because the lining keeps shrinking as the time passes by.
Doctor, what is shoulder arthritis?
Shoulder arthritis is a condition whereby the joint surface, or what we call as cartilage, starts to wear off, as a result of which the bone of the shoulder joints start touching each other, restricts the movement and starts causing significant amount of pain and difficulty in doing activities of day-to-day living.
Doctor, is there any definitive treatment?
Yes, there is definitely definitive treatment for arthritis. Like in the hip and the knee joints, we have shoulder joint replacements based on the patient's degree of wear and tear or degree of arthritis and the overall muscle conditions. The arthritis is treated with modernized shoulder replacements.
Doctor, what are the type of shoulder replacement that you normally perform?
So shoulder replacements are two kinds. The first one is called as the anatomical shoulder replacement or the standard shoulder replacement. In this, we replace the ball of the shoulder joint with an artificial ball and socket of the shoulder joint with an artificial socket. This allows the mechanics of the shoulder to work as normal the shoulder works. The other type of shoulder replacement is also called a reverse shoulder replacement. Now this is a unique shoulder replacement whereby we change the ball of the shoulder joint to function like a socket, and we change the socket of the shoulder joint to function like a ball. It is an extremely skillful surgery and done well, it gives near normal range of movement and function to our patients.
So doctor, what would you like to say about shoulder to our listeners?
So shoulder is a unique joint. It is the only joint in the body that can move full 360 degrees. It goes through multiple problems, be it ligament related issues, be it bone related issues. They need to be treated to maintain function, as shoulder is important in day-to-day activities like combing your hair, wearing your clothes, feeding yourself. Accurate results will give you normality faster and quicker. So do not, I would advise my listeners to consult specialist shoulder doctors for their shoulder problems to see what options they have and then decide on treatment.
So thank you, doctor, for improving our understanding in today's session.
Thank you.